Let's practice with real English conversation.
I'm hungry. I didn't eat lunch today.
You're hungry? I'm really hungry. I didn't eat lunch or breakfast. I could eat a horse.
Okay. Let's go get food.
That sounds good, but I have no money.
Then, what can we eat?
Why don't we just eat here?
There's nothing to eat at my house. We need to cook, but I can't cook.
I can cook something.
Can you cook? I can only make ramen.
I can cook a little bit. My mom taught me.
What do you need?
Well, I need a frying pan. I need oil, salt, black pepper, herbs, garlic, onions, green peppers, almonds, peanuts, olives, and ham.
Okay. Anything else?
Yes. Also, cheese, lettuce, bread, a cucumber, 5 eggs, 3 cups of milk, a banana, a pineapple, an orange, and an apple. Oh, and also some orange juice.
Okay, here are the ingredients. What are you making?
It's a surprise. Just go watch TV. Okay. It's dinner time.
Wow! That looks delicious.
Sit down. Have some.
Oh my gosh! This is good. How did you learn to cook so well?
My mom taught me. She is a very good cook.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel to receive more videos like this one. Give us your like and share this video with your friends. Thank you.